Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Bereishit. Bereishit, chapter 1, verses 18 and 19. Balim Shol, Bayom, Uvalayla, Ulahavdil, Bain, Haor, Uvain, Hachoshech, Vayar, Elohim, Ki, Tov. Traditional translation, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to separate between the light and between the darkness, and God saw that it was good. Valim Shol. Traditional translation, and to rule. The Vav is a prefix that means and. The Lamed is a prefix that means to. Mashal is a verb that means to rule, to have dominion, or to reign. Bayom. Traditional translation, over the day. The bait is a prefix that means over. Yom is a masculine noun that means day, time, or year. Uvalayla. Traditional translation, and over the night. The Vav is a prefix that means and. The Veit is a prefix that means over. Layla is a masculine noun that means night, of gloom, or protective shadow. Ulahavdil. Traditional translation, and to separate. The Vav is a prefix that means and. Lamed is a prefix that means to. Badal is a verb that means to divide, to separate, or to set apart. Bain. Traditional translation, between. It's a preposition, masculine, that means between or among. Haor. Traditional translation, the light. The He is a prefix that means the. Or is a feminine noun that means light, light of day, light of the sun, moon, or stars, daylight, dawn, or morning light. Uvain. Traditional translation, and between. The Vav is a prefix that means and. Vain is a preposition, masculine, that means between or among. Hachoshech. Traditional translation, the darkness. He is a prefix that means the. Choshech is a masculine noun that means darkness, obscurity, or secret place. This comes from the root word chashach, which is a verb that means to be or grow dark, to have a dark color, or to grow dim. Vayar. Traditional translation, and. Elohim. Traditional translation, God. It's a masculine noun, the traditional translation of which is God, Goddess, Godlike One, works or special possessions of God, or the true God. It comes from the root word Elo, which is a masculine noun that means God or false God. Ki. Traditional translation, saw that it was. This is a verb that means to see, to look at, to perceive, or to consider. Tov. Traditional translation, good. It's an adjective that means good, pleasant, agreeable, rich, happy, right, better, or glad. Vehi, erev, vehi, voker, yom, revi'i. Traditional translation, and it was evening and it was morning, a fourth day. Vehi. Traditional translation, and it was. Erev. Traditional translation, evening. This is a masculine noun that means evening, night, or sunset. It comes from the root word arav, which is a verb that means to become evening or grow dark. Vehi. Traditional translation, and it was. Voker. Traditional translation, morning. It's a masculine noun that means morning or break of day. It comes from the root word bakar, which is a verb that means to seek, inquire, or consider. Yom, traditional translation, day. It's a masculine noun that means day, time, or year. Ravi'i, traditional translation, a fourth. This is an adjective that means fourth. It comes from the root word rava, which is a verb that means to square or to be squared. Thank you for listening. Shalom.